Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good to see you all here, and hope you're doing great. Welcome to this new video on Solana, which I actually wanted to cover for some interesting reasons, I would say. First of all, I have a trade open on Solana, so I thought it would be interesting to just make a video on my whole idea on that. And apart from that, right now Solana has been very volatile. I mean, if we take a look at the volume right now, you can actually see that Solana is only behind some other very big movers in Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash and stuff. But the volume is almost around 1 billion. If you compare that to the last 7 days, I mean, sure, we also reached that when we had that initial bull run right here. But now the volume again is very high. And we also had a bullish breakout yesterday, a massive one, because there's this massive resistance around $20. Psychological resistance, trend line, a lot of Fibonacci levels. But we've also broken down below that, and there are some reasons for that. So that's what we'll talk about in this video. Before we dive into that though, if you actually want to have my trades, want to get them as signals with entries, stop loss, take profit and updates, then check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, like you can also see from the top right there. And there you will get more instructions and on how to join there. But now into Solana. So the biggest thing to start off with is that Solana at this point of time actually is a bit manipulated, which we have seen before. I mean, we had this, which is actually a very long time ago, but there was this time when Aptos, for example, also was very, very bullish right here in at the beginning of January, actually. So not that long ago. But then Solana and Aptos, which usually are a bit manipulated, or not manipulated, but correlated, they were quite manipulated. And right now you can also see from Solana that, like, in total, I would say over 20% is coming from exchanges like SuperX, Upbit and Hotcoin Global, which in my books are always exchanges where if a lot of volume comes from there, it's most likely manipulated. So that also explains a little bit of the move we had yesterday, because yesterday we actually took a short trade in the signal group from this area right here with the take profit at 18.9. So that hit perfectly, and then we actually rallied. So I'm glad we got out of that at take profit. But right now what you're seeing is that we had that bullish breakout, but then we did not respect any of the levels we broke above, because you should actually know, like, that level around $20, it's a major level. If you break above that, that means something. So by not breaking above that, or by breaking above that and not reacting to the bullish break retest, I think that's a lot of bearish confirmation. And that in combination with that manipulation also leads me to believe that right now, at least on the short term, we'll get some bearish momentum down to that $19 level again, and probably also down to $18. And then $18 is a very strong support level. It's technically very strong. We got some strong EMAs there. So that's a level I do think will hold, especially also because I do expect some bullish momentum from Bitcoin. But I do think initially that drop is to be expected, and then from there we'll see. I mean, if we drop down all the way to $18, guess what? We're still bullish. If you take a look at this whole channel right here, you can see that with the rally we got the 29th of June. We actually accelerated very, very quickly, but we can technically drop down all the way to 17.5. Which I also have an alert set up for, because I think that's an amazing long trade right here. We can technically drop down all the way there and we would still be bearish, or still be bullish, excuse me. But yeah, so that's what I expect, something like this for the short term. I still think Solana is bullish on the like medium term. And there's always a possibility, because it's manipulated, that I'm wrong. So in general, I would say that right now, if we are able to break above like 20.3 again, then we're probably going to hold that bullish breakout and get all the way up to 21.5 and $22. So that is possible. It's not what I expect, but yeah, that's my take on Solana for now. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.